There's only one name that comes to mind when it comes to Corvette performance: ProCharger. From the C7 to the C4, ProCharger has been on the cutting edge of Corvette performance, and no one has more options for late model Corvettes.
When you look at the ProCharger product line, we've got the broadest product offering available in the industry, from the number of vehicles covered also to the vertical horsepower element that we cover, from a stock vehicle all the way up to 3,500 horsepower.
The scale of our company and the size of our engineering staff, the dedication to the product line has really helped us to be first to market on all the different Corvette offerings.
These days, a guy can get a Corvette from $5,000 used all the way up to the new $100,000+ C7 Z06. And what's great is ProCharger has a supercharger system for every one of those platforms.
Highly effective intercooling, high-efficiency centrifugal compressors, and the best fabrication and design all lead to one thing: the best performance in the industry.
ProCharger is the home of the world's fastest C7 Corvettes. We're talking about ET and speed, we own it. We have kits that are capable of 1,000, 1,200, even 1,400 horsepower rear wheel, with options like our air-to-air intercooler, air-to-water intercooler, competition air-to-water intercooler, as well as our billet and sheet metal intake manifold with integrated port injector manifold.
An air-to-air intercooler offers the most repeatable power gains out there. It's nice when you're out on the track and you're beating on the car all day, you're not having to worry about intake air temperatures because the intercooler is doing its job. And it's going to give me consistent power, but also safe power in the sense that I can run it all day.
Positive displacement blowers have a fairly limited operating range, and so you can outgrow a PD blower fairly quickly. We have a bracket design that allows you to move to larger supercharger models while retaining virtually all other elements of the kit.
One thing we haven't talked much about is our new P1X and D1X line of superchargers, which are basically upgrades to our P1SC-1 and D1SC superchargers that we've had for many, many years. The P1X and D1X are high efficiency versions of those same superchargers, so at the same boost level, those superchargers can create much higher performance levels based on efficiency. For your street crowd out there who are looking for maximum performance, maximum reliability, as well as installation friendly, we have a complete kit for 2014 to 2019 current model year Corvettes that are emissions friendly and street compliant.
What we did is we took the factory roots blower off and created a CNC billet intake manifold with runners optimized for the power these cars were going to make.
At the same boost level, same 10 PSI that the factory car makes, we're able to make 115 wheel horsepower gain over stock. With just 12 PSI, only 2 more pounds than stock, which is plenty safe on that engine because, again, we're more efficient with the centrifugal type supercharger. We're talking 150 horsepower gain to the tire.
From a diverse array of fixed ratio systems to the programmable i1, ProCharger has the right setup for your Corvette. Broad technical expertise and their experience with 4 different generations of Corvette are the reason.
You can do anywhere from a P1SC-1 for a complete stock car all the way up to an F1A 9-inch housing blower without having to move, touch, do anything to the car.
With 25 years of experience in applications mild to wild, including boats and motorcycles, our racing heritage makes us the #1 choice for forced induction. Visit ProCharger.com today and see how you can take your Corvette to the next level.